Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's dish is a very healthy and popular Vietnamese dish known as rice paper rolls. This dish is now loved all over the world. So without any further delays, let's look into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course some rice paper rolls, and these are how the rolls look like. They are pretty stiff, but we need to dip them in water before starting. I'll show that when I make the rolls. For the stuffings, we need a variety of vegetables. Today I'll be using some carrot shredded, some cucumbers shredded, some lettuce leaves, and for the herbs I'm using some coriander leaves. If you want to use non-veg in your rice paper rolls, you can, and today I'm going to use some poached chicken pieces and some boiled prawns. You can also use any kind of leftover grilled chicken for this recipe. And finally some rice vermicelli. To start off, I'm going to soak in the rice paper vermicellis or noodles in some hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. We'll allow this to soak in the water and we'll leave this aside. So we'll start off by preparing the rice paper rolls. For that, I'm going to dip my first rice paper roll in water like this on all sides. And then lay it off on a preparing space. I'll start off with some lettuce in the middle, along with some carrot juliennes, some cucumber, 2 slices of chicken, and for the prawns we are just going to split it right in the middle and cut it into 2 halves. Just like this. My rice noodles were resting for 5 minutes and now it's cooked. So we are just going to drain the water in a strainer now. And this is how it should look once done. So now we are going to take a handful of this rice noodles and place it in the rice paper rolls. A little bit more, along with some coriander. You can also use any other kind of herbs you like. Basil and mint also usually goes well with it. So now I'm going to do the first fold. Just like this. And from the corners, seal it like this. The other corner now. And then my prawns will go here. And keep on folding till the end. And my first rice paper roll is ready. So now I'll continue with my second rice paper roll. For that, I'm going to start off in a similar manner. And in this, you don't need to cut your lettuce or herbs with a knife. You can just tear them with your fingers. That is how it is usually done. And you can also alter the choice of your vegetables in this. Like usually capsicum also goes pretty well. And for the meat, you can also go in for pork or beef if you like. And finally some rice noodles. And finally I'm going to start folding it. For that, the first fold goes like this, grabbing all the ingredients, and then from the sides and then keep on folding till you reach the end. And here is my second rice paper roll ready. My rice paper rolls are ready, and now we'll start preparing the sauce for this. To prepare the sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm going to use these 2 pouches. Next, we need 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. To prepare the sauce, I have used my pan on heat, and now I'm going to add in around 1 tablespoon of white oil to it. Once the oil heats up, we'll add in the garlic paste to it. Along with it, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Next goes in the peanut butter. And the red chili paste. And along with it, I'll add some water, around 1/4 cup. Mix all the ingredients well and cook the sauce till the consistency you want in it. It shouldn't be very thick or very runny. I'll cook it for another minute and it will be ready to be served. And our sauce is ready to be served. This is the consistency I like, but if you want, you can make it a bit more thicker or thinner according to your liking. So now we'll serve it. And my rice paper rolls along with the sauce is ready. Dip it in and enjoy. My rice paper rolls are ready, and friends, you all just saw how easy it was to make and it being healthy at the same time. So do try it in your kitchen and don't forget the dipping sauce. It tastes extremely good with it. And on that note, I'm going to end my video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.